When the program is launched, the login screen is first going to be displayed. In there, you can use those buttons to enter the username or delete the last digit and input the password. In the dashboard screen, you can see the graphical representation of all tables and the orders that are currently placed. The username and the position is also going to display it, and you can select from order, search, and settings. When you click on adding a new order, you'll be directed to a new screen where you can choose a table number, select items that you would like to add to the order, and input a quantity. You then press create order and the order is placed and inputted into the database. The table will change and represented through a color coding. When pressing the table, you can see the order on the right side. You can add, modify, or delete items by clicking on those buttons, selecting the item that you'd like to add, and enter the quantity. You confirm the option at the bottom. When modifying an item, you first select from the table view. You then choose the item that you would like to change it to, and you input the new quantity that you'd like to have, and confirm through clicking modify. The item is going to be changed and the total is going to be updated as well. When deleting an item, you just select it from the table view and you click the delete button. To delete an order, you simply select the order from the table view and you click on the delete or close order button. You'll be asked for a confirmation, and after confirming it, the order is deleted from the database. As a restaurant manager, you'll have special privileges where you can select the Settings tab. In there, you can choose the Manage Employees button, where you'll be directed to the Employees Management screen. To delete an employee, you simply choose the employee from the list, click the Delete button, and you'll be asked to confirm the deletion. When adding a new employee, you simply enter the credentials, the name, the surname, the user ID, and the password, where you'll have to confirm the password again. Upon clicking Add Employee, the employee will be entered into the database and can be used from now on. The manager has also the right to look at the activity log of each employee. When choosing that, the manager will be directed to a new screen where he can see the log in XML format being displayed. There, the messages show what the employee has done during which day and at what time. Now, if the manager wants to change the menu, he simply goes to the Settings and Change Menu button. Here he will be directed to a new screen where he will see the current menu being displayed. To delete an item, he simply selects it and presses the Delete Item button. There he will be asked for a confirmation and the item will be removed. To add a new item, simply enter an item description and the price associated with that item. Upon clicking the Add Item button, the system will automatically generate a menu ID for the item and it will be displayed in the menu. The manager has an additional privilege, which is to manage the orders. When he clicks the Manage Order button, he'll be directed to a new screen where he can see all the current orders, including date, time, and the number of items. He can select them and export them in a CSV format. He simply needs to enter the file name and the file will be saved locally. He can also import an order. First, the saved file or the exported file can be seen here as order number 106, which was just exported. Now, when the manager wants to import an order, he just needs to select a CSV file and click on Open. The system then will automatically figure out whether the file is valid. When it's a new order, he needs to confirm the table number, and then the order will be placed and is inputted into the database. We can double check that the order has been accepted in the dashboard screen or by clicking on the table, and we see that the new order has been placed and is associated with a table number. Another feature that has been implemented is the search function. You simply enter a dish or a table number or a date into the search box, and you click on search, and it will sort through all the orders and display the orders which have this item inside. Or here to demonstrate searching for the year 2016, it will show all the orders that have been placed in 2016. If we change that to 2017, we can see that no order has been placed, since the system is automatically putting a timestamp on each order. When logging out, you'll be redirected to the login screen, and this time we'll log in as an employee, as a normal staff member without any manager privileges. We can see that the label has been updated to staff and that the settings tab is disabled, so the staff member cannot make any changes to employees, the menu, or import and export orders.